Okay. I start my itinerary with the Northern Ireland. The capital is Belfast.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. I start with the Northern Ireland. I take yellow plane, and I go to Montenegro. The capital is Podgorica.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you see, Montenegro, and Montenegro borders with Croatia. I go to Croatia from Montenegro. From Croatia, I go to Bosnia and Herzegovina. The capital is Sarajevo. From Bosnia and Herzegovina, I go to Bulgaria by this pretty orange plane. Okay. From Bulgaria, I go to Serbia. The capital is Belgrade. And I want to say hello to my Serbian friends. Then I take this beautiful pink plane to Czech Republic. So that's it.